our respected principal sir, Dr. V.S. Kurani sir, was working as a joint director at Director of Technical Education. That's a big pillar post at the central post while going with some administrative issues, technical issues, policy making matters. And JC Valsad is very blessed to have such a dynamic person as at our institute, where we are successfully marking ourselves at a big level. And we are doing repeatedly these types of programs, and obviously it is very helpful to us also in building networking in all those cases, as sir has explained. And it is very good to have a teamwork going on and a nice teamwork going on at this event. uh, the coordinators, the way they handle the event, Harshal Wani sir, Devendra sir, it was very excellent actually. Uh, Nice to carry such type of event, and with a very great hearted effort, they have carried this event. With sir's blessings and guidance, with my efforts of my coordinator, my teammates of electrical department, who are as a part of the member, we are able to provide some of good things to you, that is a lifelong memory for you, and you'll be able to come at Valsad when this corona pandemic will not be there. Obviously we'll be meeting at some pace at some time at JC Valsad. We are also thankful to all the speakers, those who have accepted the invitation for the FTP. And I was very happy that when the sessions were going on, the two things were noticeable from my side. One thing was that the multidisciplinary approach that me and respected Dr. Purani sir was telling at the beginning of the FDP, that was looking alone, because the sessions were right from the battery to ultra capacitor to battery management system and to communication system regarding the vehicle, and so a versatile FTP. And the learned participants, the beautiful audience that I was sometimes getting in and just listening to all and your queries, your questions, and your question answers. So it was we are witness to a very beautiful SCTP audience at our FDP. Now, when some FDP is conducted, generally people write so many good things, but you please give us a chance for something to improve also. Yes, I do know that my coordinators have done an excellent job without any doubt. But if you feel that there is some point of improvement from our side, then please tell us that what we can do from best of the best. That every time it gives an scope of improvement to us. So whenever we conduct this sort of FDP, it will be a very useful to us. And one more request is from my side, that we are now as a part of a networking team, we can conduct a joint innovation and something joint project also in the future. You want some contact addresses of any of the faculties who have delivered the session, including me, then obviously you can get from my dear coordinators. And if this STTP has changed your life in some of the extent, then please do share us with our email that what actually brought change while attending this FTP, and how you get some remarkable achievement points in terms of research and in terms of mutual cooperation while meeting other participants also. That also let us do know. We will be very happy to receive such type of messages. Now, without wasting such time, uh, uh, a very I'm very thankful to all, and will be eager to meet some of the participants in somewhere, someplace, and might be joint work with you. Thank you very much. Thank you to my coordinators also. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Mukaria. Uh, Thank you for the wonderful speech, and thank you for the motivating words as well. Now, I'd like to request Professor Devendra Tandel, my co-coordinator, to say a few words. Sir, over to you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, our head of the department, Dr. K.L. Mukaria, sir. Our principal, Dr. V.S. Kurani, sir. Like it was planned previously, whenever we have planned to have such a FTP at our institute. Actually, we had planned for 2 FTP. Then we got confirmation from the 1 FTP, and at the starting age, at the starting level, during this session, we are getting the FTP in a very successive nature, as we can see. And also, we are getting some very good feedback from the participants. So many things were already discussed by some experts regarding this FDP and regarding this organizer structure. So rather having some words onto the from my side, I'd love to have some words from the participants, so that can be give us more insight to the FDP, that what we can further improve for the conduction of FDP and what would be required to do something more regarding the FDP. So I request the participants from the participant side, they can unmute their mic and have some words regarding to the FDP, and they can share some words. What you feel regarding this FDP. Please participants, it is my request to you, please.
Good evening, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, good evening, ma'am. Please go ahead, ma'am. And you can show your video also, so all can understand. If you don't mind, then you can share your video. Otherwise, it is okay, ma'am. Fine.
Good evening, all. I am Dr. T. Lakshmi Boy from Sri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati Vishnu Mahavidyalaya University, Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. First, I thank Atal and the authorities of current FDP, and I am now confident to handle this type of and all the research explained well, and the given more examples, and really enjoyed. Also, I congratulate coordinators for that.
I think there may be some network issue, but still, thank you so much for your words, ma'am. Other participants, if anyone, any other participants, have some speakers, please.
Good evening. Am I audible to you?
Good evening, sir. Thank you,
Good
sir.
evening. You are audible, sir.
This is Dilli Srinivasan from SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Ramapuram, Chennai. So the FDP organized was very useful to us as I'm doing the research in the electric vehicles area. So many parts that has been covered in the FDP was useful to me. Thanks to all the team and the management for making such a good FDP, and expecting such a wonderful FDP in the future too. So let us know to share the knowledge more, so that it will be useful for ourselves and to the society too. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Sir, can you hear me? Am I audible, sir? Yeah, this is So this is Dr. Shaktivel from Dr. Mahalingam College of Engineering and Technology, Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore. In fact, I would like to thank the Atal and the organizers, especially the team of GEC Valsad, and to be more specific, Dr. Vani and Dr. Tandal for organizing such a wonderful program. That is the need of the hour, I could say. And in fact, when I thought of connecting to this program, I came to know that the registration was closed. Then I put a request to Professor Vani, and if there is any possibility, kindly give me a slot. So the reason for urging me to find a slot in such a kind of a program, looking at the resource person profile, it was truly, to be honest, it was wonderful. Almost you invited all the horses of mouth people, and we were able to hear from the horses of mouth such a kind of an input. We were able to get it, and definitely, as Principal Sir said, and also the HOD Professor Kashyap Mogaria Sir said, we will have a long-lasting relationship in the days to come. And on behalf of the participant, and one more thing I could appreciate in this, almost all the participants shows their Attendance almost more than 90 plus 95% in almost all the sessions. So that is a wonderful thing to witness in this program. All the credits goes to the professors Vani and Kandal sir for your wonderful kind of recent topic. So which you chosen and organized with the good support of resourceful people. So that is the reason that the program came up in a nice way. And I wish GEC Valsad and Professor Vani and his team to organize such a kind of a program in the days to come. And if possible, kind of a request from me, my side, sir, if possible, try to maintain that WhatsApp group. Almost, in my understanding, almost all the people in this group might be of an electrical engineers, I believe. And if we could, as Principal Sir rightly pointed out, network is our strength, right? Whomsoever may be contributing maybe in any of these areas or our own research, right? So we could exchange it as a platform for our better understanding. And we could look forward some sort of kind of joint effort in future. It might be my kind request, sir. If possible, try to maintain that. You being an administrator, you try to maintain that group, sir. So I congratulate the GEC Valsad and the organizers for this program and looking forward more in the days to come. Wish you all good luck, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. As such, for your points, the collaboration and WhatsApp group, these both are relating to one thing only. And I'll definitely maintain that group because as such, I have kept only electrical and electronics engineers here in the group. And most of I had ensured that the participation is such that, only interested and beneficial participants can get the participation here. So due to that, I think all the engineers here are in the, in the electrical domain itself. So we'll definitely maintain the group. Maybe we will rename it to electric vehicles, right? That would be, I think, a better option. And I'll also request the participants as well that if you have others, other professors, maybe research scholars working in this domain, you can also add them in the group so that, the network becomes more strong, I suppose.
True, sir. True, sir. In fact, we maintain such a group at the Tamil Nadu level, so we would like to have such a network to extend go beyond in this way. Thank you, sir.
We also look forward to coming sometime to your institute in
True,
case
sir.
if we get a chance sometime.
We will invite you, sir. It's our pleasure.
Yeah, Nilesh sir, you want to give some feedback, sir, please? Sir, you're not audible, Nilesh sir. No, sir, not yet. You can just check your mic or this thing once. Yeah, other participants, if someone want to give some feedback, I'd please request others meanwhile. Yeah, Makwana sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I'm audible, sir.
Yeah, you're audible.
Sir, this is Dr. R.K. Kumawat from IIT Gujarat, Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar, Punjab.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Hello, sir. I don't want to take too much time. Thank you so much, sir, for organizing such kind of FTP on the modern and trending topic on the electric vehicle. And thank you so much for all the effort has been made during the entire 5 days. And I wish we will enjoy a lot of things in that. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir. Any other feedbacks from the participants, please?
Yes, sir. I'm
Yes, sir,
Vinod
Makwana, sir.
Makwana. Yes. I have just only few words. It was an excellent experience because to organize such an event, we have to attend many other platforms, like you have to visit, I think you have to convey with the AICT, Atal, Government of Gujarat, even your institute, your department. You need lot of efforts. So I must congratulate for all the excellent effort for this. And more importantly, some of the speakers like Umanand sir, Bhimsen, many others, we even read their name on textbook. We were fortunate to listen them. So many thanks for them. And one suggestion that Dr. I think you have not left us for anything to criticize. You put up YouTube link for the PG student also, and you are likely to publish something in souvenir kind of. So, but only one point where the session of 2 hours can be minimized somewhere. So 2 hour sessions can be minimized. That is my one suggestion. Apart from that, everything is all right, perfect, and many congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. For the point of your 2 hours feedback, that is a specified duration by Atal AICT. So we cannot do anything in that. Yeah, extend कर दो. Just a second, participants. So, yeah, any other feedback from the participants?
Sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, Dr. Leena.
I'm working in Manav Rachna International Institute of Studies, Faridabad, in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. All these sessions was very useful, and the resource person from the academy as well as industry, it was so good, and we cannot miss one of the session like that. It was so packed. Maybe the timing, I also felt 2 hours too lengthy, because 1.5 hours, फिर half an hour discussion, उस type of हो सकता है तो अच्छा था. And the coordination from your side was very good, sir. I have attended so many other FDPs also. I cannot say a word against the coordination you are having with the group, in the WhatsApp group, as well as the teams. So thankful for having a wonderful session, sir. Thank you
very much, ma'am, for the words. Yeah, other feedbacks from participants?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
This is Selva Kumar from Dr. NGP Institute of Technology, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
So thank you so much for organizing such a wonderful workshop, sir, FDP. So I used to attend the FDPs in IAAC regularly. Yearly once I used to attend there. So those are all offline FDPs. So actually here, last 5 days, I felt that this is an offline FDP, like. So because every participants and all the resource persons, they used to, the participants tried to extract more, and the resource person tried to convince all the participants. So a lot of informations I gathered. So I felt very happy, and the punctuality and the time maintaining, everything is nice. So like coordinators, you are all maintaining the energy starting from the first day to till now. So it's very rare to see this kind of energy. So thank you so much for organizing such a wonderful FDP. Yeah, we expecting to collaborate in future too. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. It was all, due to the participation of all the participants, and the efforts of my team as well as the experts, that it was a wonderful event. Yeah, other feedbacks from the participants, please. Yeah, Mini ma'am, are you there? Dr. Mini Rajiv?
Here.
Yeah. Hello, ma'am. Do you recognize me?
I am not able to recognize you.
Ma'am, we were together in IIT Bombay while you were doing a PhD there.
I thought so. Okay, fine. Okay. You were under which professor?
I was under Dr. Shukla.
Okay, Anshuman Shukla, sir. Okay, yeah. Fine.
Some words from you, ma'am.
And so same thing only. I also felt that the duration, 2 hours, it should be combined the talk and the discussions. That's why I did not say anything. All of them said that. Otherwise, it was wonderful, that organization and the speakers. All at Bhim Singh sir and Umanand sir were my PhD supervisors, examiners.
I know. I had attended your defense, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Okay. So it was a wonderful FDP. There is no doubt. And the punctuality, all those, everything means others have told. So there is nothing much for me to say. But only I felt that the duration, 2 hours, some speakers were exceeding 2 hours. Only that I felt that we don't have that much capacity to listen. No, maybe.
Yeah, I agree, ma'am. But again, we cannot, even I cannot tell them. I had already told them that we have a 2-hour session.
Okay, I agree with that.
Yeah, but we cannot, tell speakers to cut down or something.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, anyways.
Otherwise, it was a wonderful FDP.
But definitely, I'll try to give this feedback in AICT as a coordinator.
Yes.
That, if they can define the sessions in such a way that the session should be of 1.5 hours plus half an hour for discussion or something.
Yes, that will help. Actually, the discussions were helping us to know more about that. Yeah.
Yes, correct.
Even we are also conducting an FDP, sir, in November. We also have
I had seen your name as a.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Any other participants would like to give some feedback? Some participants from Gujarat, like the DT participants.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, Ganesh sir. Srinanda.
Hello.
Yes, Trivedi sir.
First off, very congratulations to all the.
Sir, myself Sri Avanandani from St. Joseph College of Chennai.
His or her effort for successful completion of the SDP. Really, it was a nice experience. Just one thing which was one sense of negativism is it could be an offline SDP. It would be a lifetime experience. Still, it is a lifetime memorable experience. But I just imagine if it could be an offline, how it would be. It would be could be Sonama Sugandh Pade na jo thai jate. But in the limitation of this online platform, it was really a remarkable one. So the thing that I would, it is repetition, but I would, I cannot stop myself to repeat that such an eminent speaker, it was a very actually lucky and nice experience that we could have one live interaction with such people.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you to all.
Thank you very much. Yes, sir. Srinanda Ganesh, sir. Yes, Ganesh, sir, you are giving your feedback. Yeah, so anyone else would like to say something?
Hello. I'm audible, sir.
Yeah, you're audible. Yes, Nikunj, sir, you're audible.
Myself, Dr. Nikunj Patel from Sri Swami Atmanand Institute of Technology. I have attended this STGP and it is really wonderful. It's my personal experience that I heard such kind of great personality like Bhim Singh sir and Fernandez sir in this STGP, and the entire session is really helpful to us for the research orientation. So once again, thank you very much for the institute as well as the coordinator for their great force behind of this session. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. So, any other feedbacks? Yes, so I think let us conclude this FDP for now. So, first of all, I'd like to request all the participants to not to forget attending the test. It is already online. Not to forget to fill the feedback on Atal portal, because without that you won't be getting your certificates. Certificates will be automatically generated on Atal portal. You can directly download it from there, right? Or I think it will be available in your email. Okay. We'll be continuing our WhatsApp group, so we'll be keeping you updated there. And yeah, the test is scheduled, I think, for half an hour from now. You can visit, use that link to attend the test. Okay. So I thank all the participants for joining this FDP, remaining present in all the sessions. Almost the attendance of everyone was full. I don't think so there is any attendance issue from anyone except 1 or 2 participants who had just attended only a single session or so. Otherwise, most of the participants were present in all the sessions. So I request all of you not to worry about the your attendance specifically. Right? I'll again thank the principal of GEC Valsad, Dr. V.S. Purani, for his motivation and continuous support. I will thank Dr. K.L. Mukaria, head of the department, Electrical Engineering Department, GEC Valsad, for his support. I will convey my special thanks to Professor D.N. Tandon for his continuous support and efforts for maintaining this, FTP's energy at top level. And I'll also like to thank all my supporting team, Mr. Mitul Prajapati, the lab assistant, and the staff members of GEC Valsad, including that of electrical department, for their support and help for making this FDP possible. And I hope we all be staying communicated with each other. We'll stay in touch with each other for this research area, and even hopefully we'll meet somewhere in the future, maybe at your place, maybe at in Gujarat somewhere. So with this, I stop here and convey my thanks to every one of you for making this FDP wonderful. So now I request every one of you to attend the test and submit it within given time. Right? So yeah, I thank you again. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
So I'm ending the session now. You can attend the test and we'll keep you posted on WhatsApp group. Right? I'll also share the contact details of all the participants to you all by email. Right? And as soon as I get the presentations and video links, other things, I will also share those with all the participants. So please rest assured about that. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. You all may leave the meeting if you want, no problem. I'll just check all the feedbacks or other things and end the meeting. We have not generated today's feedback link for these sessions as we are directly submitting the feedback now on the portal, right? Yeah, thank you everyone.